What is Neo-Ayurveda? First time in the history of Ayurveda, Dr. S.M. Raju blended allopathic medical science with Ayurveda. Like in allopathic science, taken the principles like diagnosis, dosage and administration, blood thinning, cholesterol maintenance, rejuvenation of gut beneficial microbes, and from Ayurvedic science taken the medicinal herbs to nourish the undernourished organs, and diet, meditation for activation of hypothalamus gland and other endocrine glands, and pranayama for lung exercise. By studying through Vedic literature as a passion for more than 40 years. Unlike traditional Ayurveda, Neo-Ayurveda pioneers specific diets and treatment plans with health supplements for various incurable health disorders. In Ayurveda, purified metals are being used in many formulations. Neo-Ayurveda opts for herbal extracts. These medicinal herbs rejuvenate organs by clearing blockages in tiny blood vessels and are connected to cells for supply of nutrients, hormones, and oxygen, for nourishing while aiding in removal of toxins and carbon dioxide. A unique aspect absent in current medical science. Crafted from Vedic literature, Neo-Ayurveda created 30 unique and 100% herbal formulations, excluding purified metals, out of which 10 formulations in combination address more than 170 incurable and chronic health disorders. Like in allopathic science, blood thinners, statins, beta blockers, omega-3, omega-6, fatty acids, and supplements. In Neo-Ayurveda, as per Chakra Ahar Hai Parama Aushadam, the approach is, the food is medicine, as per Greek physician Hippocrates, let thy food be medicine and medicine be thy food.
In this system, cell regeneration process will take place in the dysfunctional organs, and organ will get rejuvenated and acts normally. In the current medical science, up to arteries level, the artery size is 15 mm to 25 mm. There is some system to ensure blood circulations through stent or bypass or grafting. Whereas down the line, to ensure blood circulation at the cellular level, the capillaries and microcapillaries cannot be get stimulated in the dysfunctional organs. The reason is the size of the capillaries and microcapillaries is 1 micron to 20 micron. 1 micron means 1 by 1000 mm. That's the reason why the present medical science, whatever it may be there, whether homeopathy or allopathy, whatever it is so, once the organ get dysfunctional, it cannot be rejuvenated. Whereas in my science, even in pancreatitis, wherein the person is almost in dying stage, even in such cases also, 15 days to 1 month, the parameters of lipase and amylase will get normalized. So that is the way the cell regeneration process takes place in the dysfunctional organs.